3D models. 3D models are what's out there in real life. In reality, there's no real 2D. That's just a fake representation. Everything we touch is 3D. So 3D models allows for a more advanced visualization. We can also do more simulations. We can do analysis, like engineering analysis, tell how much it weighs and where the center of gravity is, etc. We have three basic types of 3D models. The first original 3D model is essentially what's called a wireframe model. It looks like it was built with coat hangers or wires. And you just see the edges and everything was hollow. It was used in the early 1990s. Then we came along and we did a surface model. And a surface model looks as though it's got a skin on it. Now it puts like a sheet of paper over the surfaces, but in the interior it's still hollow. So these weren't allowed. They could do some more visualization with us, but we couldn't do any simulations or any kinds of engineering analysis. Nowadays we have basically what's called solid models. This model has mass, therefore we can do all kinds of things to it. So it can represent whether it's lead or cork or so we can figure out all kinds of engineering properties about it. And we can make any kind of 3D object we want. We can make an architectural, mechanical, we can make a Star Wars stormtrooper, etc. Whatever you want to draw in 3D, we can draw in 3D. So now 3D is starting to take over much of the design. We design anything from a high heel shoe to your iPod to your cars. Everything is basically now starting to design in 3D. So we can also use these 3Ds to perform a walkthrough, which is typically known as an animation, and we can derive animations. So essentially any car commercial you see on TV is actually a 3D model of the car drawn in CAD. The only time there are real cars when it says it's on a closed circuit with a professional driver. No, they're not a real car taking a picture of them. They're just a CAD model. It's cheaper and easier for the car companies. So 3D models is covered in the fall semester in 3D modeling with AutoCAD class.